Hey friends, I'm back to help you get your writing life. In my last video, I discussed 5 ways that could help you improve your writing without writing a word. I was sharing writer Chandra Beal's tips from an article that I read in 2000, many moons ago, a long time ago. But you know the information is still relevant. Check out my first 5 ways in my video that I shared with you to get the first 5 ways. These are great tips. So let's get started on the last 5 ways that you can improve your writing without writing a word. So the next way to become a better writer is to learn. She says that good writers never stop learning, and this is so true. I think that this is a practice that we should all do in our lives. But for writers, it is very important. As I've said before, there are so many online resources available to help you with your writing. Utilizing these resources will help you grow as a writer. Also, with social media, you can learn writing tips. There are writers of TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook who give amazing tips for writing. Also, YouTube writing videos are in a whole class of their own. Budding writers can find so much help on YouTube. But don't forget the thousands of online articles and books that are available for you to learn. Now, on to the next one. Don't laugh. She says that drawing forces you to use the right side of your brain and think in a freeing fashion. She said draw whatever you want and allow yourself to exercise your creative muscles in a way that doesn't need words. She believes that this creativity will carry over into your writing. Okay. This one is probably my favorite one, and I probably never really considered it for my writing life, but I'm definitely going to remember this one. I love dancing and music, so I can see where this would release good endorphins and allow you to free your mind. I'm really going to try this one. The next way to improve your writing without writing a word, she said, is to fantasize and allow your imagination to just be free. Bill says to take a seat in the audience of your own mind and enjoy yourself. Sometimes I will give myself a creative writing activity and close my eyes and put myself in the scene and then write about what I see, smell, and hear. Using your senses is an amazing way to write descriptively. So if you close your eyes and allow yourself just to be free, that's going to open so many doors of creativity. Miss Bill says the last way is to do nothing. She says doing nothing is not the same as procrastinating. She says it's essential to take a break from your writing, to recharge your batteries, get some perspective, and come back to it renewed. She says it's also good to step away from your drafts and come back with fresh eyes, and that's really important. These are all great tips to improve your writing without writing a word. I'd like to thank Chandra Beal for sharing these tips with us many years ago, but as I said, they are still relevant today. So keep finding those writing resources and keep growing as a writer and live a creative life. I like to live a creative life by traveling, writing, spending time with family and friends, reading, and just watching great movies. It's so wonderful. Hey, if you'd like inspiration to live a creative life, please like and subscribe to Shelly's Creative Life. Bye, friends.